Hi everyone, I am Ghulam Haidar. I am your friendly math helper and having a degree of BS in mathematics from Pakistan. Math is hard and confusing? Don't worry. I used to feel the same way in school. I memorized the steps without understanding them. But then I discovered the method of knowing why behind the math. And now I am full-time mathematics tutor helping hundreds of students from middle and high schools as their IGCSE and IGCSE exams. I can quickly understand where are you struggling. Designing my lessons just fit you perfectly. Trigonometry, algebra, statistics, you name it, I can break it down into easy understand steps. My goal to make math as easy as fun as possible. I don't just teach you, I listen. I will work with your preference way of learning and pace, designing my lessons that fit you perfectly. Are you ready to tackle the confusing and conquering math? Get a free trial lesson with me. I am excited to help you to reach your goals and love the math like I do. See you very soon. Bye bye.